In this video, you are going to learn about how to transcribe in Premiere Pro, mainly retranscribe. So if you have first audio and when you delete this audio and you want to transcribe the second audio, sometimes when you transcribe the first audio what you have, it will transcribe and the caption will be your first audio. So to change that, usually we will delete this sequence and you will add another audio sequence. But when you go to transcribe, you won't find the option to read to retranscribe second audio. You just have to go to this three dot and here you can see retranscribe sequence. While you click this, the transcribe for the second audio will complete and you will get the caption, auto caption as the second audio what you have put. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one.